Today I'm going to make a biryani by using coconut milk. I have already marinated the chicken by adding turmeric, chili powder, curry powder, garam masala, salt, lime juice and plain yogurt. I have taken tomato, onion, capsicum, crushed ginger and garlic, bay leaves, curry leaves, pandan leaves, green chilies, star anise, cloves, cardamom, cinnamon, coconut milk, kiri sambar rice, and some coconut oil and salt to your taste. First, put some coconut oil into the rice cooker pan and add crushed ginger and garlic, curry leaves, pandan leaves, bay leaves, onions, star anise, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves. Then allow it to fry. Next, you can add the marinated chicken and allow it to cook for few minutes. Then add capsicum and the washed rice and add the coconut milk. Now you can add the salt to your taste. And allow it to cook. After a few minutes, you can mix it in this way. Now you can add the tomatoes and coriander leaves and mint leaves. Now close the lid and allow to cook. Now our biryani is ready. It's very delicious. You can try it.